Every day, the world gets louder, angrier, and more divided, and no one's stopping to ask why. But there's a way back, one built on knowledge, reason, and a desire to rebuild what's been broken between us. Why You Should Care exists to rebuild the foundations of civil discourse in a world fractured by tribalism, outrage, and distrust. Our mission is to question the narratives that distort reality and challenge the culture of extremism that's tearing us apart. We do that by examining the deeper forces shaping our world in a way that values context and nuance and rejects sensationalism and bias. We believe the greatest threats to democracy and global stability are: 1. The tearing apart of America through cultural warfare and tribal politics. 2. The dysfunction and self-interest of Western governments. 3. Unsustainable debt across the US, China, and beyond. 4. The collapse of trust in media and the rise of algorithmic misinformation. And 5. The global spread of authoritarianism. But this isn't about fear. It's about fixing what's broken. That's why everything we do is grounded in solutions, not outrage. By promoting intellectual honesty, critical thinking, and a willingness to listen, Why You Should Care offers a path forward. This path is rooted in the belief that empathy is more powerful than outrage, and that we can disagree without hating each other. Why You Should Care, restoring reason to a fractured world. If you don't care yet, you will.